ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ಈ ಅರಿಷಡ್ ವರ್ಗ ಅನ್ನುವಂಥ ಒಂದು ಹೊಸ ಫಿಲಮಿಂದ ನೀವು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ. ಸೊ ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಬದಲು ನೀವೇ ನಿಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಇಂಟ್ರೊಡ್ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. ಸೊ ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಅಂಜು ಅಲ್ವಾ ನಾಯಕ್ ಅಂತ. ನಾನು ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಹುಟ್ಟು ಬೆಳೆದವಳು. ಐ ಡಿಡ್ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈ ಎಜುಕೇಷನ್ ಇನ್ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್. ಐ ಸ್ಪೆಂಡ್ 4 years in Mysore for my engineering, and then I got into the usual rut of working in the corporate sector. I did that for about 5 years, and then alongside I was also doing theatre, after which I decided to give theatre 100% of my time, so I quit my job. And so I did theatre for about 7 to 8 years, after which my foray into films happened, thanks to Arishad Varga and thanks to Arvind Kamath. And I got an inroad into this film because of my theatre connection. There was a theatre colleague called Nikhil Bharadwaj who introduced us, and yeah.
So okay. So it was nice to hear that you are an engineer, and me too. I'm an engineer. I'm a mechanical engineer, by the way, and we see a lot of engineers turning out into actors today. ಎಷ್ಟೊಂದು ಜನ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸ್ ಇದ್ದವರು, ಫಾರ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ ರಕ್ಷಿತ್ ಶೆಟ್ಟಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ಸೇ. ಸೊ ರಕ್ಷಿತ್ ವಾಸ್ ಅ ಸೀನಿಯರ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೈನ್ ಎಟ್ ಮೈ ಕಾಲೇಜ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆಲ್ ಟರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಇನ್ ಟು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್. ಸೊ ವಾಟ್ ಇಂಜಿನಿಯರ್ ವೇರ್ ಯು, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಾಟ್ ಟರ್ನ್ಡ್ ಯು ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಇನ್ ಟು acting? What is the spark within you which made you to turn into an actor?
The spark was always there. I was always excited about the idea of performing, the idea of entertaining. I was always the party performer or the party entertainer. And I am an environmental engineer, and you're very right in pointing out most people who get into engineering, you later find out that they have a very creative bent of mind. So my engineering also mostly happened because of pressure from home. It was not something I really wanted.
Okay.
My dad's only condition was you get through with the engineering, then
And
you're
then
free,
do
do
whatever
what
you
you want. But
Okay.
yeah. But then MBA also happened after that. So
Okay, so you have a double degree, and again you are now into acting
Acting,
field. So now tell me, how proud do you feel to get introduced as an actress from this film? Because every person, for instance, let's take an example, Rashmika Mandanna. She got introduced to the industry probably by the Rakshit's film Kirik Party. So like that, uh, like every lady or every amateur actor or actress will have one film in their mind or one creative thing in their mind. Okay, if I am on screens tomorrow on a big screen, I should see myself in this way. So you tell me, how proud are you about this opportunity, and how did you actually get through this? Like basically, rather than the reference, was there an audition you went through, or what are those things?
So I am ridiculously proud of being a part of this movie and making my debut with this movie. I sometimes get a little too conscious about the fact of how proud and how much I own the project, in terms of, I couldn't have, no matter, like you said, every actor has some sort of an imagination of how she wants to be debuting or what kind of a debut she wants. I think no matter how much I push my imagination, it wouldn't be as beautiful as what Arishad Varga has turned out like.
Okay, so to be specific, what is the role of you in this film like?
I play a film editor in the movie, and I play Avinash sir's wife. And in the film, there is an age gap between the husband and the wife. And by and large, it's that. I have my own independent working life, and then I have my domestic life, and it's about how they both intertwine and the things that happen. And
So are you doing this parallelly, like you are acting also, and also you're doing the, you're working and also doing the film? No, right?
no,
Like
no,
you are now
as in my character is the film editor.
Okay.
So this film is also loosely based on the industry. So there's a character who's a producer,
Okay.
who's my husband, and then I'm his wife. I'm the editor of the production house.
Okay. So,
So-
how challenging was the role? Like you said, you were playing the role as wife of Avinash,
Yes.
who's a senior actor and who has done a lot of films. So can I just know what are the learnings you got from senior actors or like amateur director? I was just asking the same question to the director today. How challenging was it for you to cast a challenging debut actress? So what do you want to say about the debut director as well as working with the actors who are already experienced?
So working with actors who are already experienced, if you're talking about Avinash sir, it's been a joyride working with him, because you won't find anybody who's more chilled out than Avinash sir. When I heard somebody mention that our Kopa Bharate, Sit Bharate, I was like
Yeah.
actually surprised, because that there was a very different side of himself, I think, that he brought to Arishad Varga. And it was such a pleasure for each and not just me, but all of the cast to sort of, just sit and chill with him. And
So what is the one learning you had from him, if you want to be specific, out of whole your experience? Like if you could just
I
figure out
think,
one learning.
when you're feeding off a really competent actor, your performance also becomes so much better, right?
Yeah, yeah.
So just being in that space with him and both of us trying to create something was a
So
learning
getting
in
that positive
itself.
vibe.
Yeah.
in
There
you,
was
he was getting that positive
there was
vibe
that
on the screen.
There was great working chemistry between us.
Okay, and
I can
what do you want
say
to
that.
mention about the debut director who has given you an opportunity as a debut actress?
There's nothing actually debut about him. I found this out within a week of interacting with him. I mean, initially when I went with my apprehensions because I hadn't heard of him except through a common friend of ours who's from the theatre who recommended him. I was very, very impressed with the script to start with. But I had my apprehensions about the lack of experience in directing because it is a kind of script that could also go horribly wrong if a person who's really, really sorted and knows what he's doing is not. I mean, apprehensions means that I didn't voice them, of course, but you always think, like with a debutant director, how it might shape up. But I was ready to take the leap of faith, obviously. But within very little time of interacting with Arvind, you know that he somehow seems very, very seasoned. I feel like he's been doing this forever.
So before getting into this acting and getting this role, did you take some experience or like you had some training or something like that?
I come from a theatre background, so
Okay.
I've given theatre about 7 to 8 years.
So where did you do your theaters? Like,
Various places. I used to work with various groups. I've
Okay.
also done a lot of training in terms of workshops, acting workshops,
okay, okay.
clowning workshops, and a bunch
Okay.
of others.
Okay, from there you got into this. So did you have a same process like auditions and all, or
Yeah,
like,
we
okay.
had to go through. I had for Arishad Varga, my audition story is a separate story because at one point Arvind started getting really apologetic about asking me. He'd be like, "Are you okay? Can you send me one more like this? Are you okay? Can you
Yeah,
send
I
me-"
heard that he was asking you to send a multiple bites of
Yeah.
Rajkumar's
Oh,
old
that too.
movie monologues.
That was because my Kannada he thought was tricky, and then thankfully he liked what I sent him also in terms of, like he said, that I was willing to put in the effort.
So I think before things hit the screen, so I just want to personally witness how thrilly it was. So if you could remember some dialogue of what you had rehearsed and put it here,
Sure.
that would be something great.
I'd love to. I hope my director is okay with that.
It definitely would be happy.
But I won't say it with emotions. I'll just say the
Yeah,
words.
that's fine.
ನಾನಾರು ಕಶ್ಯಪ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನ ಮಗ ದಿಪಿಗರ್ಭ ಸಂಜಾತ ಚತುರ್ಮುಖ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮನ ಮೊಮ್ಮಗ ವಿಧಾತದಿಂದಲೇ ವಿಧಿಬರ ಬದಲಾಯಿಸಿ ಐ ಥಿಂಕ್ ಐ ಶುಡ್ ಸ್ಟಾಪ್.
Okay, fine. That's cool. That's nice hearing. I don't know what is your mother tongue. Is
It's
it?
Tulu actually, not so far from Kannada.
Okay,
I should be
okay.
a lot more confident with my Kannada, which I should be actually. My Kannada is not half as bad as I make it out to be. It's actually quite decent.
So my
But it's just a
so
confidence
my
problem.
my
I think.
Tulu is as equal to yours. Inchollaru,
No,
Vanasanda.
I do better than that with my Kannada.
No, like
I
I
know more than base. I speak in Kannada. Like I can have a conversation.
Yeah.
ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಕನ್ನಡದಲ್ಲೇ
ಮಾತಾಡ್ಬೋದು. See, so wonderful she is, and so happy she is working for this film.
My name is Anju Alva Nayak. I'm one of the actors from the film Arishad Varga. I wish Speak with Sushant the very best. Please subscribe to his YouTube channel. He covers a range of subjects from public interest topics to film promotions to issues about the environment and everything in between. So it's quite an interesting mix of things he has. So please subscribe to it. Thank you.